You guys already know this video is going to be lit because I, Email. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today for you guys, I have an unboxing on the MX Key Mini. I have never seen this in my life. I have never seen Logitech create something so small and versatile like this before. It's my first time seeing it, literally. I believe it was based off the MX keys. I think you got the big MX keys with the little dial on the top left of it, and then you got the normal one that looks a bit like this one without the dial, and then you got this one, which is quite odd because I've never seen this before. Didn't even know they announced it. Didn't even know they had anything like this. But yeah, I saw it. I was like, you know what? I am getting me that. That looks so good. But yeah, I'm mainly gonna be using it for work, really. I'm going to take it to work on my desk and use it on my computer. But obviously when the setup is all built and ready to go, then I'll bring it back home and use it on my desk because it's wireless, and you know, I already have a Logitech mouse, which is an absolutely beast of a mouse. Obviously I know the new one is out now, but ain't nobody got none money. I ain't got money to get that at the moment. So yeah, we're sticking with the MX Master MX2S, I believe it is. MX Master S2, I don't know, I can't remember what it is. But yeah, let's dive into this. Let's see. Let's give it a little slice. Slice it open. Come on. Yeah. Okay, don't cut myself, please. And boom, just like that. Like I said, I've never seen this before. I mean, it's a product from MX Master, from Logitech, so I'm not really, you know, I know it's gonna be good. So what we got here? You can see it's very easy, very easy. You can see right there. You got your option. You got a switch. You turn it on. It's Bluetooth activated, and then you just got to download the software, and you're good to go. That is pretty damn cool, man. I really like this. I really like this. Oh wow. Woo-hoo-hoo. I mean, it's not heavy, but you can still feel that it's well built. All metal, everything is made out of metal with this, so which is really nice. Let's just unwrap it. What's this little card? Oh, create the ultimate setup. Yeah, come on. Logitech, you already know, bruv. You already know I'll be creating the ultimate setup. But yeah, oh wow, look at this. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Actually, I think it's made out of plastic. But, oh mate. Whew, Logitech really do not disappoint. This is absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. That looks absolutely incredible. That is so good. Oh my goodness. That is so sick, man. Oh my god, look, you got a little emoji button on the top. That is absolutely awesome. Right. Right, let's see what's around the box. There's only two things on the box. There's the back of it. But just at the top there, you got your on switch and your power switch off and on. And then you got your USB there as well, to obviously charge it up when it needs to be charged. Uses USB-C, so you know, anyone can get USB-C nowadays. So, oh my god, it's got backlight as well. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, it's got backlighting. That is so freaking cool. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's got backlighting. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it's got backlighting. It lights up. That is freaking awesome. Oh wow, you can see it better. That's freaking awesome. Right, let's see what else is in the box. So there's nothing else really in the box apart from this little small box here, which I guess is your little box to, you know, set it all up. Let's have a little looky. Okay, so you get some paperwork about it, how to use, and all of that stuff. Oh wow, you can even change the batteries on it. That is freaking cool. That's awesome. And then you got your beautiful Logitech USB-C cable to USB-A, which is right there. Looks absolutely awesome. That's obviously to charge it up, but yeah, that's a pretty cool. That's really cool. I actually really like that, man. That looks really nice. But yeah, I just thought, you know what, I unbox it and, you know, share it with you guys because I've never seen it. I'm pretty sure some people watching this probably never seen it either. But yeah, nice short video, but I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, it's I can't wait to set this up and start using it. It's so nice. Look. So it's not even that loud, to be honest with you. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And I'll see you in my next one. Peace.